What is acceleration? It is defined as rate of change of velocity with respect to time. A change in velocity can involve either speed or direction or both. Observe this motion and see whether it is an accelerated motion or not. This delivery truck is having initial velocity of 20 km per hour and it continuously moves with the same speed, that is 20 km per hour. What do you think? Is it an accelerated motion? No, it's not. Why? Because there was no change in the velocity of the truck, and we mentioned in the definition itself that acceleration is rate of change of velocity. Most of the people associate acceleration with high speed, but this is not so, because acceleration is change in velocity that can be increase or decrease both. Now let us see another example. In this case, delivery truck's initial speed is 20 km per hour. It increases its speed up to 40 km per hour and then finally decreases its speed again to 20 km per hour. What do you think? Is it an accelerated motion? Yes, it is. Why? Answer it by yourself. Let us consider one more example. This object moves with the constant speed of 20 km per hour throughout the path. But can you observe that there is change in the direction? So what do you think? What about this? Is it an accelerated motion or not? Yes, the motion is accelerated due to change in direction. So what is the conclusion? That acceleration is either change in velocity or change in direction or both. So let us have a look at the formula of acceleration. This final speed minus initial speed upon time. That is, if the velocity of an object changes from an initial velocity u to the final velocity v in time t, then the acceleration is equal to v minus u upon t. Positively accelerated body is if it is in the direction of the velocity. We consider it negative when it is opposite to the direction of velocity. 0 when velocity remains constant with time. Now let's have a look at SI unit of acceleration. It is ms minus 2. Let's see how we derived it. We know A is equal to v minus u, that is change in velocity upon time. And what is velocity? It is distance upon time, or we can say displacement upon time. And what is the unit of displacement? It is meter. And what is the unit of time? It is second. So unit of velocity is meter per second. In the same way, now we have acceleration, that is change in velocity, and unit of velocity is ms minus 1 upon time, and unit of time is second. So solve it using the law of exponent and we get ms minus 2 as the SI unit of acceleration. Now there are two types of acceleration. One is uniform, another is non-uniform. Uniform acceleration, when velocity increases or decreases by equal amounts in equal interval of time. Example, motion of a freely falling body. Non-uniform acceleration, when velocity changes at a non-uniform rate, that is when speed changes, and the change in speed can be increased or decreased by unequal amounts in equal interval of time.